I'm Rodrigo Vargas, and I'm the Global Head for Artificial Intelligence at Encora. I help customers understand artificial intelligence, what it can do for them, and how to leverage its full potential. Being AI first, in my mind, it's about having a different mindset. It's about unlearning what we've learned over the past 30, 40 years. What that means for organizations is that they will completely be reshaped from within, from the inside. And their value proposition, even the core to what they do, will also need to change as AI deepens and helps them do things better, faster, and with higher quality. AI is all about acceleration. So the benefits that organizations get from adopting the technology, it's about doing things faster. However, in highly regulated industries such as BFSI, the challenge is always about risk. It's about adopting a new technology that needs to play well with regulations. We generally advise our customers to start with low-risk use cases or in low-risk areas that are not necessarily very tightly regulated. So in industries such as BFSI, this includes areas that are not specific to insurance. Our point of view is that AI is not a technology that will enable organizations to drive strategy. Organizations, leaders, need to factor in AI into their long-term strategy. It's about leveraging AI to derive insights based on volumes of data that we as humans cannot ever possibly think on analyzing. It's about enabling leaders to do more deeper analysis and drive better decisions based on the insights that are being produced by the AI. Here at Encora, we have a holistic view to AI enablement. This holistic view also covers 3 different areas that truly focuses on addressing these concerns or these challenges. One is the culture factor, which is change management, upskilling people, and helping them through the adoption journey. The second area is the technology landscape, data, infrastructure, cloud, so that the technology really runs in a safe environment. And the third one is strategy. How the organization is putting in place the right safeguards in place, how the organization is creating the right policies, and how the organization is really working with the emerging regulations so that the risk process is really adhering to this evolving regulation landscape, and they're future-proofing their adoption. Companies expecting to start adopting the technology, they need to think deeper when it comes to the data that they manage and where these AI models run. So on one side, we have the data foundation and everything that needs to be on top of it to provide these enterprise-grade capabilities to data governance, data access, and data controls. And the second thing is infrastructure. Where is the AI models running? Whether or not companies are thinking on using this massive computer power to drive training of models or inference of the models. So having the right mix of infrastructure powering these models will allow them to drive operational efficiencies and really drive the benefits of AI. Encora's AI-first philosophy is about having a different mindset. It's about thinking differently. It's about projecting ourselves into the future and how things will look like 5 years, 10 years from now. And that is really enabling our customers to also reshape their own strategies. It's helping them think on how they better engage with their clients and how they want to do in the next cycles of the organization. For us in Encora, that different mindset represents a challenge by itself because it's not only about enabling technology, it's all about thinking differently. It's all about making the technology work for us and not the other way around.